Good morning, welcome back to the Casa Salentina kitchen. Today I'm going to make a very easy 3-ingredient scone recipe. Yes, scones. So easy, so quick. Let's get into it. Okay, we need 1 to 1 1/4 cups of milk. I use skim milk, but any milk will do. We need 80 grams of butter, cubed and chilled. And we need 3 cups of self-raising flour. We're going to sift the flour into the bowl. Okay, we're going to add the butter into the flour, then we're going to rub the butter into the flour with our fingers, squeezing it, rubbing it together until it's all dissolved and it appears like breadcrumbs. It will take a little while. Okay, that's all done now. Now we're going to make a well in the middle of the flour, and we're going to add the milk into the center. And we're going to stir it in with a flat utensil. I'm just using a wooden spoon here, that'll be fine, till it's all combined. This is where you may need that extra bit of milk, the extra 1/4 cup. If it's a little bit too dry, just add a little bit extra in, a little bit at a time, until it feels like it has enough liquid in there. Okay, now we're going to pop it down onto the bench. We're going to put a bit of flour down first. I'm going to tip it out onto the bench, and we're going to give it a light kneading. Nothing too heavy or too long, otherwise the scones will end up being a bit too tough. So just a light kneading until it's smooth and combined. Here we're going to give our baking tray a light dusting of flour so the scones don't stick. Okay, we're going to dust the bench down again now, and here we're going to pat the dough down until it's about 2 centimeters thick. Approximately is fine. Okay, now we need to find something round to cut it with, around about 5 centimeters in diameter. I'm just using a wine glass actually, as you'll see. I'm going to pop a little bit of flour on the bench first to coat the top of my wine glass, or whatever you're using to cut. Here we're going to just combine what is left of the dough, give it a very light kneading, and then press it down again till it's that 2 centimeters thick again, and we can cut some more. Yeah, the last piece I'm just squeezing it together slightly, giving a little bit of a knead in my hand, and I'm just going to make it into a round shape and pop it on the tray. We ended up with 13. So we're going to spread them out slightly to the about 1 centimeter gap between all of them. You don't necessarily have to do this, you can leave them close up against each other. They will just join up slightly when they're cooked, and you just pull them apart. Either, whichever way you want to do it. Once we've done that, we're going to give them a light dusting with flour over the top, just plain flour, and it is plain flour that we use on the bench as well, and it's plain flour we've used on the tray underneath. Okay, we're just going to pop them in the oven now. Okay, they're going to take about 20 to 25 minutes. And we'll see you at the end. Jam and cream if that's your thing, butter, jam, just jam, whatever topping you like. Great with a cup of tea, a cappuccino or an espresso. Enjoy. Okay, it's been about 18-19 minutes. They're looking nice and golden brown. I need some gloves. So I'm going to take them out now, so I don't want them too dark. It just really depends on your oven, how good your oven is. This is a fairly new oven, so. Oh yes, they look beautiful. Look at that. Our last one that I just pushed together came out a bit odd. That's because it was folded a few times. And there you go. Delicious. Thanks for watching. Thanks to all our subscribers. Let me know if you give it a try, how you went. I'd love to see some photos, and let me know in the comments below. That would be wonderful. See you in the next one. Ciao.
Good morning. Isn't it nice to wake up to home-baked fresh scones?
Anna's going to be the taste tester today.
Oh,
I won't be far behind you though.
the aroma in the house. Alright, so just choose one. They're beautiful. Oh, look at that. Lovely. Now, I don't eat butter, so Michael will do the taste test with the butter, but I'm having some marmalade. Alright, here we go. Mickey Mouse. Absolutely beautiful and really nice with the marmalade too. What beautiful texture. You've excelled again, baby.
Grazie mille.
Thank you.
Okay, so I'm going to try some with butter. Because I don't like butter. And I don't do marmalade, so I'm going to have some apricot jam.
I mean, I eat butter. I just don't like spreading butter on my breads and scones and...
Yeah, I don't do much. Oh, actually, I'll just try one with butter only first.
It's a really, yeah.
Nice texture.
Yeah, unbelievable. We should have made some strawberry jam with our strawberries, and we could have had fresh strawberry jam. Right. Oh,
yeah.
Not that we've had time. We've been away.
Yeah, nice and light, aren't
Yeah, very light. Couldn't believe the texture.
they? Very good.
Look at them. Look at that. Amazing.
Well done. To myself.
Yes. Yay!
This could be breakfast today.
No, I'm still having my, I'm still having my healthy breakfast. In fact, it's here ready to go. Just got to go and find my oats.
I ran out of butter. That's the only butter I have left over. I needed 80 grams for the recipe, and there was about 90
Perfect.
grams there.
Perfect.
Just enough.